Again, before I go to the coding, I need to fix some design issue here. You see here, even I give them all of them same size, all of them have same width 13, but they do not appear in same size in the design. If you get this problem and you all of them have same width, that means you have some problem with the gravity weight. That means the weight of the object in the screen. So to fix this, I would say, hey, I need to go to the weight, which is layout weight. If you just click for it here, you have to go here. Wait a second, this one should appear. Okay, give it 1 directory. So now it's just 1. That means the weight of the object, this object is 1. If I go to the second object, I say, hey, this one also have to be 1, and this one have to be 1, and anyone in this row should be 1. So let me say what he will do when I give all of them 1. That means any object in this column will take same opportunity to get white from the screen. So in this way, he will show them all objects, he will show them in same width. See? All of them get same opportunity to get same size from the screen. So PT, yeah, I think I changed something here. Pixel should be, no, it's PT, 13 PT, 13, the second, PT. Okay, so any object in the screen, I give it 13 PT. So they have same opportunity. If I just go to the coding, you would see what I have here. You see, just add the properties, name it layout weight, like mean how much the weight of the object in the screen. Like this one, if you just select it, you see weight. Now if I try to apply this pattern to the second row, for example this row, I say, hey, let me just take this one back. I would say my layout for this one should be weight 1, this one the weight should be 1, same ways, but you give it 1. I don't know why he used tool. It's better to use Android layout. Maybe he doesn't have this one. Maybe they removed this one from Android layout 1. No, they stole in Android layout. I don't know why they use tool. Let me use Android layout. Maybe they just move it to the tools, this property. So make sure that, see, I have it here Android layout. So it should be Android layout. So also this one, make sure everything is same. Android layout weight should be Android. Okay, so make sure all of them Android layout. This is just design issue. I don't think it will happen with you because they have to fix this problem soon. They just want to pass this properties to the tools spot from Android. So this one have it. Just go to the second row, which is this one. First button, I add the weight for it. Second button already have it. Third button, we need to add it. Just yes, we add it to him. So this one also I would add it on all the button that you have it. So the third row, yes, 1 and 1. See, just try to fix this design issues. And I say, hey, this one 1, this one 1, all of them 1. Try to give a different value and see how the size appear and how they took different size from the screen. But I just use ones to show you how they appear. So if you see now, I think now the design should be good, but is it something here? I have some problem here. Let me make sure. Weight, Android layout weight, Android second button layout weight, third button layout weight, fourth button layout weight. There's no problem. The first row. This we suppose to go to the second row. Weight. I don't know what's the problem here in the design now. So, but let me track it. Weight and weight. Every button, I think this button doesn't get weight, so just got some issues. Yes, here you go. And also this one weight get, this one get weight, this one get. I think all of them good. So yes, here we are good to go. But here I have problem here on this button. If you see this one button getting the already he add weight for them. I don't know why he add weight. If you just remove the weight from these three buttons that I have them in the third rows, and let you understand what we mean by weight. So see, he just appear them in the real size they have them. Now I want to say, hey, these two buttons, I need to keep them in same size, but this one have to take all the space, all the remaining space, even this space remain. They say, okay, the first button, I will give it weight 1. Okay, and the second two button, See, he by default give them 0. That's mean by default this one will get 0 and this one will get 0. So he take all the remain space. Okay, this one I give it 1, so he just show you different design. So I say, hey, this button I wanted to take all the remain space in the screen, but these two buttons I take them give only, when you give them 0, that means they take only the space that restricted for them. If I give 30, you give them 30. No, I won't say no. I want to all the buttons get same opportunity from the screen, so I will give them everyone who could take same opportunity from the screen. Let you think about another way in using wait. So now you understand a little bit wait, how to use it. So let you think about another way. If you look back here, you see this table. You say, okay, I have this table and I have this row. I need this table take all the remain screen, and I want this row just go down. You say, okay, this table, say gravity or weight, the weight of the object, you give it 1, okay? And you say, okay, the second one, I will give it 0 by default. Did you see what happened? He just took the source object, he moved it to the end, and all the remaining space taken by this one, this table. See, he take the remaining space, consider it part from him. So this is the idea of using wait. The wait, how much space this object will take. Maybe you want in the old screen, this part will appear in the end, and this one will take all the other space. You say, okay, I need this one will be 1, and these other two will be 0. That means whatever device size will be, like next is 4, next is 10, next is 2, all the devices, this one will take completely the top, and this will be in the end. You know why this does not went directly to the end, like, because you know that, because they have a padding. The padding that restrict them from goes down. This is 10, because this 10 it will not allow them to go down. But if you just remove this padding, now it should be like, hey, see how they appear? They just go direct, they went very, very bottom. Because why? Because this one we said, hey, this one have a specific padding. But now, okay, let me take this 10 of the padding and change it to the margin. Because padding doesn't make the button look like the way that professional you want it, but margin, you say, okay, maybe margin on the top, if you give it 10 now, yes, it look like this one. Maybe if you need more, give it like, I don't want to add more. I think 10 in the top will be too much in the margin. But even I don't like the margin, I would suppose padding will be better for me, because I'm still talking about same object. So padding from the top with 10, I think it is good. And yes, I think I did not remove the margin one, because this one is still using the screen. Okay, so hopefully now it's good. So yes, now the calculator sounds good. Did you see how this, whatever the device, whenever device you change it, this button is still, this object is still taking all the screen, while this is still in the end. As much as device size changed, still these taking hold completely on the top, and that one take in the end. You could now also change the size. If you just don't like the size of this button, you say, okay, this button size is too small, I want to change them. You could change them. You are really free to change them, because you just say, hey, text size, and here, from here you could change it. Like for example, you say, okay, I want 18, maybe nicer 18. You could change all your object to 18. If you want to do it from this way, if you see this one will take too much from you, the easiest way, just go here, where's the properties, this is 18, okay, apply it on the all buttons. Like this one, give it 18. I think this is a really easy and straightforward way to copy properties in different places and still you're getting same designing. So yes, this is what I want to do in this video. I will continue do this to the end. You could follow me, or you could go to the next video to start learning how to code these parts. So yeah, you are really free to go now, or wait until I just do these things. And that is all what I want to do in this video. Just applying size, just make it nicer, and making sure everything going in the way that I want it to go. So yes, see how the design, how I change it, how I increase. Did you see different design size when I add padding, how it happened, when I add margin, when I remove the margin? All these just helping you to understand details what we are doing. So yes, now we're done. Let me go to the next video and start to do implement.